Hey guys, today we'll be working on this GMC. If you have similar, or Isuzu, I'm sure they're similar. And this is for the glow plug. It says on the computer when I plugged it in, check engine was on, and it had the cylinder 1 glow plug. It says glow plug heater cylinder 1. And then what you want to do is raise this cab to raise it. Maybe replacing this one, number 1. Before you work anything electrical, you always best probably to unhook the battery. The battery is located right here. Open this up and unhook it. So I'll be replacing this glow plug. It's right all the way on the edge. This one's number 1. I'm using 8mm socket. Then I'm using 12mm socket. When you break this one loose, be careful so you don't strip it when it's old. This is a new one. I've already replaced mine. I'm just showing you how it's done. But my old one was really dirty here and plugged a lot. So this is the new one already. It ran for a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna put it in. All you do is just put it in. So this is how you replace the glow plug. This one was easier. It's number 1. Then it goes like 2, 3, 4. Some of them may be a little bit harder to get to, but this is how you replace the number 1. I'm gonna reset it. I already plugged in the computer, reset it, drive it, and see how it goes. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. If you have a question, comment below. I'll see if I can answer. If not, maybe someone else can. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.